brother's dream back. We're working on this Mitsubisbi. We're going to be replacing these lines, these rubber lines here. We did the calipers not long ago and having trouble. If you can see here, that's stripped from the years of grime and everything getting down in there, so we're gonna have to cut it and reflange it. And the other side we were able to break free already, but anyways, you guys can hang out, I guess. I don't think all y'all can see it, but they were saying for it's supposed to be a nice day out, so we could get this done.
And it's raining.
As you can see, it's starting pouring down rain, and our work area is right in the rainfall. So, I guess we're gonna take a minute or two break, and hopefully this passes. So what we learned so far, since we've never actually done this before, we're having trouble with the calipers. I think I said that already, but just a clip kind of resting on this top piece. So we're sliding that clip off. There's another clip right there that we got to pull out, which then goes on the, if I get the new piece out, slides in these grooves to hold this line in place so it doesn't go anywhere while driving down the road. Vroom vroom. I'm sure there's a special tool that we don't have to take these off. And now we lost the clip. Oh, I found it. So y'all have to tell us about the audio, what you think, because this is the first time we used this camera with the audio. We had it. You did what?
That.
Well, you gonna tell us about that thing?
This is a lot.
I have to talk just a hair louder. Just saying.
It has like, I forget what it was.
Well, we don't need no specs.
Okay.
We just want to know about it.
Never
Is that going to break lug nuts?
So,
Is that going to break lug bolts?
yes. They're not even tight. At least that one wasn't. The heck? Your head is off.
Yeah, but it's a car. You got to remember that thing's designed for a truck. Like a big truck. Well, man, that thing came off with ease. So.
I was barely pulling the trigger.
10-4. Let's get the tire off, get that one going. I tried to shut it off. It's my new single. Vinyl. Did I put this flush with the ball in here?
No. Stick it on there. Get your little dealio. This little dealio. You stick that. That's how. No. Oh shoot.
Oh. Fudge. Where'd that even go?
Oh man.
So you stick this on here, like so, and you want it about flush with this thick port. Pressing against here, it's about how much meat you need. That's just... Sorry, bad joke.
Sorry for the very shaky video.
Yeah, we're professionals.
He's making me laugh, and I can't hold the camera straight when I'm laughing.
No way, you are a professional cameraman. Somewhat semi-professional.
That's debatable.
How's that look? Too much? Too little?
I can't see it. That looks good.
Alright. Squeeze it tight.
Doesn't have to be perfect, but...
Huh?
Doesn't be perfect. And you tighten it down. Tight.
Yeah, with my 9/16, which is way too big.
Well, I guess ½ inch then. Oops.
It's not working.
Really? Why is it missing?
Because I said it would.
Just because you want a video. That's why.
It's because I'm having a bad day. You can have a bad day too.
I'm not having a bad
So,
day.
just so y'all know, we're going to give you a little update. These two fellas right here don't know what we're doing. Apparently we need to do a bubble. So you're telling me you knew all along that we need to do a bubble flare.
But I knew there's two different kinds.
Apparently he knew there's two different kinds and I didn't. But anyways. So we did the wrong one, but we don't have the tool to do the right one. So we're at a standstill one. That's not a car. But we at least get this side done.
You didn't take this out, okay?
What? That was your job. You gotta push the hose down. Push it down. There you go.
Push you down.
Do you have the 11 millimeter?
There you go. In my hand.
No, you're a mess.
How am I a mess? It's not your finish.
Well, you thought you finished, man.
I need that hammer.
For what?
Put the clip back in?
I don't even have an 11 here anymore.
I have it.
Oh.
I said that.
Y'all kids are smart mouths anymore.
I need a hammer.
Well, I don't know where it went. You guys see it? See the hammer? 'Cause I don't. All right, right there. It's funny how your tools can just walk all over the place and lay down wherever they feel like it.
Well, they go together, all these things don't work.
Oh yeah, you need to. Found them. You were looking at me before.
The washers. What are you doing?
You didn't think I brought them with me, did you?
Ouch. It hit my head.
Just so you know, a bunch of oil is gonna rush out of that thing.
That's what you're doing. That's not
Doesn't it? Sure. Straight.
I don't see this there.
People are getting. Thank you, daughter.
Yeah, tired.
Stick it fast enough. What's good? I'm going to use that bit here. Just people.
Dude. Just man.
Yeah, very good. Just see.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm going to do that wrong way. Yeah, some captain. So if it's not at least. We'll try and do a video on the bubble flange once we get that figured out, but
You know how to do the other flange now,
yeah,
even though it's not the right flange for
it
us.
wasn't a very good tutorial, but we did one. We'll learn the bubble flange with y'all. So, but anyway, so maybe we'll work on that, doing our experiment with that Jeep. Probably don't want to be tapping on stuff. Probably set really loud in the video.
Sorry, guys. You know you're like showing them the tire that we're not even talking about.
No. I never claimed to be a professional.
I never did either. You should show them the Jeep we might work on.
Anyhow, so
We'll see.
probably gonna get some lunch now and maybe do a little look and see if we can't find. Oh, we gotta get some bolts. Gotta fix this garage door. Got a little bit of an issue over there, and some of these other ones aren't working so well. So we're gonna quick fix that up after lunch. Probably why this Jeep's warming up. It won't take us real long, I don't think. But anyways, so probably make a video just on this Jeep. We got a little experiment for y'all, so I'll show it to you.
Yeah, these two matches fit a lot of things in this car.
It's kind of wore out. It's got 207,000 miles on it. Plus, it's got a bad knock in the motor. But we're going to try and see if we can't get that knock to go away. If it doesn't go away, it's not the end of the world. Don't really care about it at this point.
We're just doing it for the fun
Just
of it.
doing it for a fun experiment. Somebody told me that it might work, so we'll bring you guys along for the ride. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and we'll probably start stripping it down then for fun. Or just take it to the scrapyard, we're not sure. Maybe just sell it as is.
Drive it off a cliff.
Huh?
Drive it off a cliff.
Yeah, we might just mess around with it, drive around in some ditches somewhere until it blows up, you know. Got the Cummins to bring it home with, so.
Well, that's debatable.
If we can find a trailer. That's debatable.
Huh?
Why is it debatable? That's gonna be a project too, so.
Because it needs a lot of work.
It's kind of old, wore out.
It's a 95.
The motor's still good though. Alrighty, enough of us rambling. We're gonna go clean up some tools, sleep, have some beers. I'm just kidding. We're gonna go have some lunch. Alright, we traded out the pickup truck for the Honda, since the other car's not working.
It doesn't have a roof.
But
Well, it does.
we're gonna run over to Parts Plus here and see if they have the thing, because you can't see anything online there. See if they have the tool we need. If they do, then we'll finish that. If they don't, then we'll just have to order it off the internet. But first, we gotta drop off a prescription. Check out this wiper.
Gotta be working on the road where we gotta turn in at.